Alright, so you have a Milwaukee battery that flashes red, green on the charger and won't take a charge. A lot of times it's because it drained too much and the charger's sensing that it's bad. You're going to get a rapid flash on the battery, but don't throw it away. The best thing you're going to do is find a good Milwaukee battery, fully charged. I have an adapter, but you don't have to use an adapter. I used to run just 2 wires. It's marked positive and negative. On the old battery here, it's marked positive and negative. Make sure you don't mess that up. You're just going to destroy your other battery. So the first thing you want to do is take your 2 wires, make one longer than the other. That way it doesn't have really an opportunity for it to touch and arc on the other side. But for me, I'm just going to shove the adapter in. Then you want to make sure that it doesn't have continuity between the two. It should show OL, or open, or 0. Alright. What you do is go over to your new battery. You want to make sure you connect these two like this. So these wires are going to cross, right? Because you want your negative attached to your negative, and your positive attached to your positive. Right? So hook your negative up right to the slot. Like I said, if you just have wires, just shove them in there. Make sure they don't touch together or anything else. Right? Now, it'll just sit there. You have a constant slow drain from your new battery to your older battery. So let this sit. I normally let it sit 30 minutes or so. I'll come back just to make sure nothing's too hot. I've never had a problem with it. 100% of the time that I've ever had a problem, this is it. We use Milwaukee batteries for everything around here. So when I put it in our power wheels, it drains it too much, so it's hard for it to recharge if I don't catch it in time. So let this sit, and we'll come back. Alright, I want to throw this out there. Somebody said that's not how this works. It won't throw the charge into the battery unless it's hooked up to a tool or another source that's drawing it. I don't know, it doesn't make any sense to me. But here, I'll show you that right now, if we hook this up, we have 19 volts. Alright, so 19 volts is slowly running into this battery. Let's just let it sit. Alright, so it's been a little bit longer than 30 minutes. I got cleaning the shop, and I don't know where the time goes when you start cleaning the shop. I swear you're in another vortex of a universe. Alright, so we're going to check and see if this battery was stable or not. Now, when you take this off, all right, one, you're going to have to charge this battery because you just drained a good bit of it. But two, this will probably still flash fast. All right, but we'll go put it on the charger. All right, so it will most likely, like I said, flash red, then green. There we go. So it says it's fully charged. It is most likely not, but it has a really good charge. It drained all of that battery. So there we go. There we go. So don't throw them away. Try that out.